Okay, so when you run a Friedmans ANOVA, because you are comparing multiple time periods, so instead of 2, you are actually going to be comparing those 3. So we found in the previous video that there was not a significant difference. However, if there was a significant difference, you have to figure out where that is. And one of the ways that you do that is you come back up here to Analyze, and you go back to Non-Parametric, and we're doing related samples because these are the same people weighed at baseline 1 and 2 months. And I'm going to go here to fields. Now notice it's got 3 fields here, but I want to compare start to 1 month, and then I'll compare start to 2 months. So I'm going to move this one over, and I'm going to go here to my settings. And in my settings, I'm going to customize my test, and I'm going to use a Wilcoxon matched pair, all right, because they are pairs. And then I'm going to click Run. Okay, so here in this case again, our results are not significant, but if I want to calculate effect size, we're going to use our standardized test statistic right there. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to compare. I'm going to do related samples, and I'm going to go back to my fields, and I'm going to compare my I'm going to put 2 months back over here, and I'm going to put my 1 month back, and I'm going to run it. Okay, so here now I've got an effect size. It's comparing my start weight to my 2 month weight. Okay, and I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to compare my 1 month to my 2 month. I'm going to run that. And again, here's my standardized test statistic, my z-score, which is Andy talks about, and those are the values that you use to calculate effect size. So one of the things that Andy cautions against is to not just look at the p-value and say, okay, there's not a significant difference, but to actually go in and calculate the effect size to see if there is an effect between, in this case, baseline and 1 month, baseline and 2 months, and 1 month compared to 2 months.